Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create and display header on right side in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and we are going to create header and display on right side in our website. Now go to Elementor header and we are using Elementor Pro plugin. So we are in Elementor header. So first we are going to create single column. Now you see plus icon, so click on it, add new container, and then you see flex box, so again click on it, and then you see structure. So we are going to create single column. So first create two column and then we are going to delete one. Now right click on it and then click on delete. So this is a single column. Again click on edit container and now make it width 100%. Now you see, so this is a single column layout. So we are going to display header on left side for desktop layout, and for mobile layout we are going to display header on top. So this is our single column and this is our main section or edit container, main container. So click on it. On left side you see content width. Now make it full width. Now you see 100%. So this is our main container width, and then on top you see style, so click on it. So we are going to add some background color. Now you see background type classic. Now click on it. Now you see color. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. So we set this color. So this is our main container and this is our column. So in column you can add logo, menu, social media icon. So you can add any widget according to requirement. So first we are going to add image or logo. Now click on plus icon. On left side you see search widget. Now you see site logo. If you want you can add this. So now we are going to add image. Now you see image widget, so drag and drop here. Now you see image resolution full. So we are going to add logo. Now click on it. So this is our logo. Now select and then you see button select. So click on it. Now you see logo is added. So this is our logo, and then you see container width 100%. Now you see style, so click on it. So you can set alignment left. So we are going to display header on right side, and on mobile we are going to display header on top. Now you see width, so you can adjust width in percentage. Now you see, so logo is added, and then we are going to add menu. Now you see plus icon, add element, so click on it. Now in search widget, right here menu, and then you see WordPress menu, so drag and drop here. Now menu is added, and then you see menu name. Now you can select menu. Now select. Now you see menu in horizontal position. So we are going to change layout. Now you see horizontal. Now select vertical. Now you see menu display in vertical position, and then you see alignment start. So you can set alignment and center start for both logo and menu according to requirement, and then you see animation. So you can do setting according to requirement for WordPress menu, and then you see mobile drop down breakpoint. Now select mobile portrait 767. So we are going to display header on right side for desktop layout, and for mobile layout 767 pixel we are going to display header on top, and then you see full width, yes. Text align, you see toggle button, toggle alignment right. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. Now you see typography text color. Now change it white. So this is our layout, and then you see pointer width, padding, vertical padding, horizontal padding, space between, drop down, and then you see toggle button color. Now make it white. So this is for mobile layout, toggle button color white, and then you see size, border width, border radius, drop down. Now you see normal, hover, active color for drop down for menu, and then click on publish first. So this is our 100% container width which show logo and menu. Now go to website to check first. After that we are going to add CSS class in main container, and then we are going to add custom CSS. Now you see cover full width. Now you see logo and menu. Now back to Elementor. So this is our main container, not column. So click on edit container, and then you see advanced, so click on it. So we are going to add CSS class. Now add. So we added name right hyphen sidebar hyphen header. So this is a CSS class for main container. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. So click on publish first. Now publish done. Go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. So we are going to add custom CSS and you will find this custom CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see class right-sidebar-header. Now you see layout. So for desktop or above 767 pixel screen, we are going to display header on right side, and for mobile layout below 767 pixel, we are going to display header on top. Now you see for desktop position fixed, top 0, right 0, width 250 pixel. So this is our sidebar width, vertical header, height 1000 VH. Now you see Z index 999, background color white. So we don't need this. Already we set background color using container or column. Now you see box shadow and then you see body margin 250 pixel. Now you see both values same, width 250 pixel, margin right 250 pixel. If you change this pixel 300 pixel 400, then you can change margin right value same. So both value will be same, margin right and width. Now you see 250 pixel and then you see maximum width 1000 pixel and then you see width sidebar 200 pixel, margin right 200 pixel and then you see maximum width 767 pixel for mobile layout, width 100%, height auto, position relative, body margin right. So this is for mobile layout. And this is for 768 pixel to 1000 pixel CSS. So this is for above 1000 pixel screen like desktop, and then click on publish. You will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see publish done. So currently we do setting for desktop layout. So after that we are going to set for mobile layout. Now go to website page for check desktop layout. Now refresh the page. Now you see this is our desktop layout and display header on right side. So you can add padding on logo. So it's up to you. Now you see drop down also. So this is for desktop layout. Now back to Elementor header. So we are going to make setting for mobile layout. So first refresh the page. Now you see layout. So click on mobile. On mobile you see alignment not good. Now select widget. So this is our image. Now go to advanced. And then you see width default. Now select custom and then select pixel percentage. Now make it 50 and then you see logo small. Now go to style. So you can increase width for image like this and then you see toggle menu. So click on it. Now go to advanced again and then you see width default. Now select custom. Now select percentage. Now add 40%. Now you see still alignment not good. Now you see main container, edit container. So this is a column. So click on it and then you see direction for mobile. Now select row horizontal. Now you see position good. If you want to align item in line or center, now you see align item center. Now you see. So this is our mobile layout and then click on publish. Now go to Elementor desktop. Now scroll down. Now you see layout is good. Now scroll up. Now we are going to activate mobile layout. First refresh the page. So you can add logo padding according to requirement. Now right click on it and then you see mobile simulator. Activate the mobile view on this page. So click on it. So this is a mobile view. Header display on top in mobile view. On desktop, header display on right side. Now expand it. Now you see. So you can do setting for menu according to requirement. So this is mobile layout. On desktop, display on right side. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.